Math compositing or alpha compositing operations play an important part in combining or removing different math elements. Looking at this example, the same example as we saw on earlier in garbage math chapter. Now we can see how math compositing operation is used to remove or combine different math elements. So on first image, that is math 1, we have sunshine key and also have an unwanted region which is not part of this math. And on second image, we have garbage math. So using math compositing operations like mask, we have successfully retained the only sunshine region that we need with removing unwanted necessary region. So some of the widely used math compositing operations are mask, as we saw recently, out, as well as max, which is maximum. So now looking for the out operation, here on image 1, this is math extracted using keyer, and on second image, the garbage math. But have you noticed this math is inverted? So applying out operation to both images, we get the complete clean math. Of course, on plain core math sections, we have filled up the holes using some another operation, and we will discuss in upcoming part. Finally, coming to very important lifesaver, max operation. Normally, it is used to combine maths. On image 1 is our clean math. This is having some math holes. On second image is the garbage math. So using max or maximum operation, the maximum pixels are applied and we get the clean core math. Because of their importance, let's look at how it works with another explanation. So on image 1, we have some math holes on plain area where we want complete core white. So as we note down the values in compositing program such as Nuke, we have noted that the value is around 0.30 or in short 0.3. So the complete final math need to be perfect white with value of 1. On second image, we have drawn filler garbage math using roto shape. So in here, the default value is already set to 1, which is also a complete core white. So as we apply max or maximum operation, the compositing program find on which image the value is greater or 1. In this case, garbage math have value greater than key area. So compositing program replace this math whole section with this filler garbage math. So maximum operation is applied between two or more images whenever one image have math value greater or equal to 1, which is this core white math. And looking this operation once again, so we have extracted math but having math holes. On second image, we have garbage filler math, and using max or maximum operation, we have filled up the math holes in original math using core filler math. So I hope this is not getting very complicated or confusing, and we have somewhat understood that what are math compositing operation. Compositing means combining images, and this math compositing means combining as well as removing math or key. So these are the session for this chapter on what is keying, and I'm pretty confident that you will get the idea on what is key and its uses. For more understanding, please look for a PDF document resources to revise what we have learned in those sessions. Cheers and see you in the next.